Welcome back. You're watching Power Breakfast on CNBC TV18. Well, yesterday the markets were on edge given the rising tensions in the Middle East, and there has been a major escalation overnight. Israel has launched a strike on Iran. They're targeting nuclear programs with airstrikes, and resultantly we're seeing Brent spike up in trade as much as 7 to 8%, and that is having an impact on the emerging markets. Look at Asia. All of the markets are trading in the red. The Japanese Nikkei is down almost 1%. Apart from that, when we look at the Kospi as well, it is trading with a cut of almost 0.7%. Hang Seng is actually the only index in the Asia Pacific region which is trading marginally in the green. The Taiwanese index also not doing too well, down almost 0.6%. As far as our own Indian markets is concerned, the GIFT Nifty will come up for you, telling us how the Indian markets are expected to open. For now, the GIFT Nifty is trading, it's a gap down start, 224 points lower as far as the GIFT Nifty is concerned. And I think the same bodes well for the US markets then, Hormaz, especially the futures.
No, indeed. And the US futures, were the ones that took the first beating after this news of Iran attacking Israel emerged earlier in this morning. The Dow futures are down almost 600 points. And that is also having an impact on our GIFT Nifty as well. But what are the cues that we need to watch out for in today's session? Vivek is now joining in with just that. Vivek, good morning. What are you picking up today?
Well, good morning. Like you rightly mentioned, just prior, there's been a significant escalation of tensions, especially as far as the Middle East is concerned. Israel has gone ahead and attacked Iran. And, along with the fact that there has been a significant increase as far as the key commodity that we track very closely, that is oil prices are concerned. Brent now hovering around the $75 a barrel mark. And remember, that will have an impact as far as Indian stocks too are concerned, especially the oil sensitive. So watch out for OMCs in trade today. There could be significant pressure over there. On the other hand, names like ONGC as well as Oil India could benefit from higher realizations. But also watch out for the other crude sensitives, names like paint stocks, names like airline companies. All of these stocks too could get under pressure as the key input material gets significantly higher priced. Like you rightly mentioned, the Asian markets, all of them on the back of geopolitical tensions are trading much weaker, and the GIFT Nifty 2 is indicating a gap down start of over 1%. So overall, a very muted start, and this mainly on the back of geopolitical tensions that have seemed to escalate, especially in the last couple of hours.
Well, thanks so much for that, Vivek. And finally, we now have Sudarshan joining in with cues from the F&O space. Sudarshan?
Morning, Vamakshi. Not a great start to the day. Yesterday, we saw Nifty snapping 6-day gaining streak, and today also tracking geopolitical tensions. GIFT Nifty is indicating start with major cuts. Current GIFT Nifty is down almost 200 points. On the flows front, yesterday we saw FIs buying more than rupees 3,800 crore, while it was offset by DIs which bought more than rupees 9,300 crore. Even in the index futures too, FIs have sold more than rupees 2,300 crore, and they have added more short positions than long positions, and now FI's long exposure has reduced to less than 20%. On the option front, on the call side, we saw 25,000 call was the most active ones, while on the put side, 24,400 was amongst the most active ones. Support for Nifty is seen around 24,600, while resistance remains around 25,230. 9 stocks are in the band. One stock that has entered band yesterday was Birlasoft.
Indeed, Birlasoft is the new entrant in the F&O band. Sudarshan, thanks a lot for that.